family, welcome back to my channel, Creative Beauty. My name is Angel, and this channel is all about lifestyle, beauty, skincare, vlogs, all the wonderful good stuff. So today I want to talk about vitamin C serum. So we're going to do a skincare focused video for today. Vitamin C is one of my favorite actives to put on my skin. It's been a part of my skincare routine for what, 5-6 years now. I've been using vitamin C serum. So I wanted to talk to you today about some of my favorites that I have. So let's just talk a little bit about vitamin C serum in general, okay? Vitamin C serum is good for protecting your skin against free radicals, aging, sagging. It helps to boost collagen in your skin, and it also helps to fade dark marks. If you're dealing with any sort of irritation on your skin and you're able to tolerate vitamin C serum, then it is really going to aid in healing whatever irritation that you have. However, I do warn you, start out with a spot test with anything that you put on your face, on your body, on your hair, and just to make sure that you can tolerate it. Vitamin C serum is extremely protective. Since I've been using it, I've seen a much more youthful glow to my skin. It feels extremely good going on. So right after my toner, I'll put it on, and I look forward to it every single time because it just soaks in and absorbs into my skin and feels like I'm getting a fresh drink. So I have 5 favorites that I would love to talk about today, and these are not in any particular order. However, I am partial to one of these because it was the first that I discovered, and I always seem to go back to that, so I'm going to put that one as number 1, and that is Olay Henriksen's Truth Serum. So this was my entry level vitamin C serum. And when I say entry level, I do not mean cheap. I will put the cost of this serum right now on the screen. The serums that I'm going to list today are a variety of prices. But the Olay Henriksen Truth Serum has been my favorite. I've tried many others. Some are stronger, more potent, but this one, I just love the way my skin looks afterwards. And anytime I have any sort of irritation, I go back to Olay Henriksen's Truth Serum. That's number 1 on my list. Number 2 is Sunday Riley's CEO Vitamin C Serum. All of these that I find, except for 2, will be available on Sephora's website. Those are the higher priced vitamin C serums. The CEO, Sunday Riley, it is a creamy formulation. I do love the packaging on this. It's an airtight packaging, just like the Olay Henriksen. You have a pump. And the reason why that is so important is because a lot of air can get into vitamin C when it comes in a dropper form. And you will see a couple listed later that do come in a dropper form, but they're made of a more stabilized version of vitamin C. So the CEO Sunday Riley Truth Serum is amazing. It has 15% vitamin C. So some of the vitamin C serums that you see will have 15%, 20%, I think is the highest that I've seen over the counter so far. However, it is best to ease into it anytime you're introducing a new active into your skincare routine. just ease into it. You don't have to go for the strongest vitamin C serum and think that that will be the best, because how it's formulated is also going to play a big role in how your skin acclimates to it. My third vitamin C serum is a crowd favorite. Anytime you watch a vitamin C serum video, you will see this one on the list. It is the C Serums Day Serum by Drunk Elephant. This has one of the best packages of all the vitamin C serums that I have listed. It has a completely airtight pump. One of the things I don't like about this airtight pump is that I cannot get in there and dig around and get the last little bit out that I do love to do when I have my skincare serums, because I tend to spend a good deal of money on my products, so I want to be able to get every last drop out of it. But this does keep the serum very potent, very active. This is best meant for use during the day. This one is more of an oil type formulation, so that sets it apart for the other vitamin C serums that I have on the list. It is a nice oil. I normally put my oils on last, but since it's inactive, I put it on early in my skincare layering process. I'll talk about skincare layering at another time, but oils typically come last unless oils are formulated as inactive, and since this vitamin C is inactive, it goes on earlier in my skincare routine. But that always throws me off a little bit, since I'm used to using my oils last and my vitamin C serums earlier in the process. But I just followed the directions and go forward, and it has worked very well. One thing to keep in mind when you are using your vitamin C serum, and this goes for any skincare actives, please do follow up with your sunscreen. One thing about vitamin C and sunscreen is that vitamin C actually increases the potency of your sunscreen. So you get sort of a double bang for your buck there. Whatever sunscreen you are using will be more powerful with this C Serums or any of the other vitamin C serums mentioned here. So the first three serums that I mentioned are not cheap. You will spend a little bit of money. You could definitely spend more. They're in the mid to upper range of cost. There are a few that I left off this list. So now we're going to move on to the lower end of the vitamin C serums. These two serums you can actually find on Amazon. So one is True Skin Vitamin C Facial Serum. So that's True Skin Vitamin C Facial Serum. That serum I have in my cabinet and I have in my rotation right now. I am running out of Olay Henriksen. I still have a little bit left, so I'm squeezing every little bit. But while I'm running out of it, I've been rotating this True Skin serum in. And excuse me for looking down. I have my phone here so that I can stay on track. This vitamin C serum is good for boosting radiance, collagen, and fighting free radicals. It's formulated with vitamin E, hyaluronic acid, and MSM. So you'll see a lot of the best vitamin C formulations do have hyaluronic acid. That gives you that extra plumping and moisturizing benefit to your skin. And the last vitamin C serum that I want to mention is also on the lower end of the price point. So if you're dipping your toe in, or you want to find a way to reduce your skincare budget, this is a great option. It's Timeless Skincare, and it is formulated with 20% vitamin C, ferulic acid, and vitamin E. So this one is going to provide you with all the collagen boosting benefits, the radiance, the glow, the skin renewal, all of the wonderful benefits that you would get from the higher end vitamin C serums, but at a fraction of the cost. So I hope you have enjoyed this quick run through of some of my top picks for vitamin C. Leave whatever comments you have in comment section. Let me know what your favorite vitamin C is and what you're currently using at the moment. Thank you so much for joining. Please come back. Again, I do beauty, skincare, a few hair videos, vlogs, lifestyle, all of that good stuff. And I seek to be as informative as I possibly can be. So have a blessed and wonderful day. And please do not forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.